Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This is a question from class 10 real numbers chapter. 3 sets of English, science and math books have to be stacked in such a way that all the books are stored topic wise and the height of each stack is the same. Okay, the number of English books is 96, the number of science books is 240 and the number of math books is 336. Assuming that the books are of the same thickness, determine the number of stacks of English, science and math books. Children, let us understand this question step by step. Okay, so first let us write how many books of each type are there. Subject wise, English we have total 96 books. Okay, science there are 240 books and math 336 books are there. Okay, now we have to arrange them in stacks such a way that the height is the same. That means the thickness of the book is same, therefore the height will be same. Okay, so we have to arrange according to the subject. अब ये इंग्लिश है तो पूरे इंग्लिश बुक्स ही आएंगे, ठीक है. मैथ बुक्स हैं तो सब मैथ बुक्स ही आएंगे. वैसे हमको स्टैक करना है, ठीक है. पहले वी हैव टू सी what is that largest number which divides 96, 240 and 336 exactly. So for that we have to find HCF. अब common factor पता चलेगा तो divide कर सकेंगे ना, ठीक है. So let us first write the prime factors of 96. Okay, 2 times 48, 2 times 24, 2 times 12, 2 times 6, 2 times 3, 3 times 1. Okay, so 96 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 to the power of 5 into 3, right? अब 240 का factors ले लेते हैं. 240 prime factors, 2 120s, 2 60 times, 2 30 times, 2 15 times, 3 5 times. Okay, so we can write it as 2 power 4 into 3 into 5. Okay, so 240 we will be writing as 2 power 4 into 3 into 5. Okay, अब math 336 books are there. Let us take the prime factors. 2 table 160 pizza, 2 84 times 42, 2 times 21, 3 times 7. Okay, so this is 7 times 1. Fine. So 1 2 3 4, 336 can be written as 2 power 4 into 3 into 7, right? So this English books, science books, these are math books, ठीक है. So to find the HCF, children, to find the HCF we need to see the common factor with the least exponent. Okay, so common factor here we have 2, right? Base is 2, so that is common, and least exponent is 4. So 2 power 4 into 3 is also seen common here, so into 3. Okay, so 2 power 4 is 16, 16 times 3 is 48. So we got CF as 48. Okay, so there will be 48 books in each stack, ठीक है. एक stack में आपको 48 books आएंगे. We will get 48 books. We will arrange according to its type. Number of stacks English. Okay, total there are 96 English books. Divide by 48. Okay, so 48 times 2. So 2 stacks, okay, we will be getting, that will be English books. Okay, each stack 48 books, ठीक है. 48 books रहेंगे और 2 stacks बन जाएंगे English के, ठीक है. Now number of stacks for science. Okay, science, how many books are there? 240, right? So we will get 240 by 48, which will be 5 times. Okay, so 5 stacks of science books we will get. Okay, and 2 stacks of English books. That means अब 5 stacks बन जाएंगे, ठीक है. सभी सेम हाइट, चिल्ड्रन. ओके, 1 2 3 4 5 सभी सेम हाइट के बुक्स बन जाएंगे. ईच स्टैक में 48 रहेंगे और सारे के सारे ये साइंस बुक्स हैं, ठीक है. पूरे साइंस बुक्स रहेंगे ये 5 स्टैक में. ऑफ स्टैक्स मैथ बुक्स, ठीक है. मैथ कितने बुक्स थे टोटल हमारे? 336. और ईच स्टैक में कितने आएंगे 48 बुक्स. ठीक है. सो 7s. Okay, so 7 stacks we will be getting math books. Okay, this is very important question, children, related to HCF topic. Okay, children, one more sum we will see which is also related to HCF. So if you just observe these sums, then you will get an idea, okay, when to do HCF and when to go for LCM. Okay, so the question says find the largest number which when divided by. So it's a larger number, it should be divided. That means you have to get the highest common factor. Okay, so we have to find HCF by 110, 62 and 92, leaves the remainder 5, 6 and 1 respectively. That means we have to find the HCF, but they are leaving some reminders, right? So first let us find the new numbers. Okay, so the required numbers for finding HCF, required numbers 110 minus 5 is 105. ओके, जो भी रिमाइंडर है वो सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए. 62 माइनस 6 इज 56, राइट, and 92 minus 1 is 91. So these numbers we have to find the highest common factor. That means what is that number which divides 105, 56 and 91 now. Okay, because this reminders we have already taken out. So what are the prime factors of 105? We can do with 5 table. 5 21s are 3 7s are. 105 can be written as 5 into 3 into 7, right? Next is 56 factors we will find out. 2 times 28, 2 times 14, 2 times 7, 7 times 1. So 56 can be written as 2 cube into 7, right? Now let us find the factors of 91. 91 we can divide with 7 table. 7 times 13. So 91 can be written as 7 into 13. Okay, now for finding HCF, common factor with least exponent we have to see. Okay, so if you observe, there is only one common factor which is 7, right? Therefore the HCF of this 3 numbers is 7. This is how you are supposed to solve this type of questions. Okay, for such interesting sums, please subscribe to my channel.